So I wanted to just do a quick little video. I did a glitter wall for my daughter and figured somebody could maybe learn from my mistakes and save some money. So I'm going to show you the easiest way to do this. Don't try any other way because you will waste your time and your money. I will post the video right along with this one, and I hope it helps. Alright guys, so here is what you need. You are going to go to Home Depot. I don't think Lowe's had this. And it's the clear gloss. It's a little can, 30 ounces. Should work for an accent wall. It's $9. I got cheap styrofoam plate with the glitter in it. This is so that you can press the cheap sponge you have. Dollar Tree, pack of 5 for $1. So you're going to press this into the plate of glitter. It'll, put a nice little layer on the sponge, and you're just going to press it onto the wet wall. We got a big thing of silver, big thing of pink, mixed it together, and gave us this amount. We had to do this a few times, so if you can get bigger things of glitter, do that, and it'll save you even more money. So we got that much, and what's in this plate. You also need some brushes to brush on the clear. This was also at Dollar Tree for $1 for a pack of 3. You don't need anything expensive. You're not going to see the brush strokes on the wall. It's just going to blend in with the paint, with the glitter. It's not a big deal. So those are some cheap things, and we have a nice full glitter wall. We're going to do this little bit. You can see there's a first layer already up there. That's before I figured out how to do the nice thick things of glitter with the sponge with the paint, or else we would have saved some money. So we're going to do this little spot, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how I did it. All right, going to show you how I do this. A little bit of clear coat. Start it where you last finished off. Take your sponge, put in your glitter, and dab the wet clear coat. Really easy. And I keep the plate underneath to catch as much falling glitter as I can. This way you don't have to do a bunch of layers. And that's it. Alright, so I am done with the glitter wall, and it looks pretty good. So now what I did at the end was I took some of the holographic glitter and I mixed it with a little bit of the clear gloss. Mixed just a little bit. It doesn't take much at all. So just a little bit, and you see the glitter in there, all different colors and sparkly. So now what I'm doing is just kind of detailing the wall. I put all this time and effort into it and all this money into it, so I'm going to make it as sparkly as I can and as pretty as I can. So, you can see some of it that I did. It's catching the light and it's different colors. So you're going to just dip your brush into the bowl and just do a little tiny bit of the glitter on there. And now you're going to just dab it on your wall. Just here and there. All over the wall. And smear it all out. You'll get a couple little pieces of glitter fly off, but that's okay. You have enough on there if you did it this way. And that's it. And it just puts that extra sparkle on the wall and the extra little color to it. It's really pretty. So this is an affordable way to do this glitter wall if you're interested in doing this. You can see I taped the edges because it will get messy. So yeah, if you want to do a glitter wall, this is a great way to do it, and you'll save your money learning from my mistakes. Hopefully this helps somebody. Thanks for watching.